Hello class, in this lesson we will study causative verbs and their interaction with infinitives. From now on I will just dissect the different elements of a sentence and their interactions with infinitives and how these infinitives behave when they interact with these other elements. So let us get started by giving a definition of causative verbs. Well, they are just, they cause their object to do something. There is a subject that causes this, someone, or something to do something. Okay? So that is in brief, okay, what a causative verb is. Which are causative verbs, right? We have, make, let, help, force, enforce, drive, leave, permit, allow, disallow, accept, persuade, admit, and ask. Some examples, this is A, okay? We have to start by identifying the verb. She made him visit Africa. You would expect to see to here. Some causative verbs hide the particle to. Keep that in mind. You won't see it, and that will make it complicated for your eye to see it, and that will really trick you. But when you see this type of construction, causative verbs, some of them hide the particle to when they used an infinitive. So we will say that visit Africa. So the sales manager made him to do what? To visit Africa. He had here to do what? Bring her car. Infinitive phrase, object complement. Okay. The doctors allowed her to eat green vegetables. Look, allowed doesn't hide the particle to eat green vegetables. It would be our infinitive phrase as object complement. Good. This one, it made her. This would be our causative verb. Here, our direct object to do what? To laugh. And later, I won't include to think because to me it's doing something else there. So this is an infinitive phrase. OC. Okay, why not to think of Desiree with a baby? Okay, let us move this part to think of Desiree with a baby, and let's remove the it. So we're gonna take to think. Can we do this? Yes, right? To think of Desiree with a baby made her laugh. Yep, why not? Okay, infinitive phrase as a delayed appositive or an appositive. It made us lay emphasis on certain common virtues like endurance. Causative verb. It made us to do what? To lay emphasis on. I would leave it until the end, guys. Sorry for that. Infinitive phrase as object complement. Okay. Look at this. I persuaded Paul to do what? To lend me all this quantity of money. Yeah, look, I told you some verbs will hide it, some others not. So this is easy. It's an infinitive phrase acting as an object complement. And the last one, she asked me to clean. Another one that doesn't hide. This one doesn't hide, okay? So this will be an infinitive phrase acting as an object complement. Okay, class, if you have any question, let us talk in our video conference. Thanks for listening to me.